Good morning, children. I hope you like previous video of the watercolor scenery. So today we are going to draw a vegetable basket. Okay, so let's start. First you have to take your drawing book and you have to keep in the landscape. It is the landscape and it will be like a portrait. Okay, so you have to take in the landscape and with the lead pencil and with the light hand you have to draw a vegetable basket. First we will draw a basket. Then vegetables. We have drawn the drawing. Okay, see, cauliflower, pumpkin, brinjal, tomato, bottle ground, onion, potato and basket. We have drawn now with the pencil. Now lightly we will erase it. That while painting our pencil mark should be not visible. Clean with the waste cloth. Now see, very lightly it is visible, right? Now we will start from the cauliflower and we will do inside the cauliflower. See how I am moving my brush. Like this and do like this. Okay, don't move your brush up and down or right or left direction. You have to keep in your shape and then drag it. Little water and again white color we will take. Done with white color. Then we will take this yellow ochre. We will mix it in the white color. Done. Now we will not do this leaf. First we will do the pumpkin and brinjal. Okay. Now children, done with the white color and this. Okay. Now we will not do the leaves. Okay. First we will do the pumpkin and the brinjal. Okay. For pumpkin you have to take orange color. If you don't have orange color, you have to mix red and yellow. Then the orange color will be come. Okay. Now in the pumpkin we will go according to the shape. See, done with the orange color. Now you have to take little thin brush. Now see, I have taken this brush number is 8. Okay. Now you have to take red color, and now the pumpkin lines are there now. First you have to make that one side only, not the other side. Done. Now you have to merge with the orange color. Now see, automatically the red color is coming very light. Same like this you have to do for all the pumpkin. Okay, see, we're done with the pumpkin. Now you can see little red color also is mixed with the orange. Okay, now we will go for the brinjal. Okay, for brinjal we have to take purple color. If you don't have purple color, you can make purple with red and blue. Okay children, with the same brush that we done in the pumpkin, we will take purple and we will go for brinjal. Children, done with the purple color. See, in the brinjal I didn't done any mixing color, only one single purple color I done with the water. So light and dark, automatically that effect is came. Now we will go for the tomato. Okay, now in the tomato you have to take red color and little water and then outline of the tomato. Leave the green area. Same, no other color, with the red only we will mix it. Like somewhere will be dark and somewhere will be light. See, done with the tomato. Okay, now we will go for the bottle ground. First you have to take the lemon yellow. Okay, fill it full with the lemon yellow. Done with the yellow, lemon yellow. Okay, then we have to take light green, little water and take it light green and go for the corners only. First do the outline with the corners, then we will mix it. Now it is done. Now wash your brush make it dry and then merge it. If your brush is dry, तो बेटा please dip your brush little in the water. Now done with the mixing. See how it is looking. Okay, next part we will go for the basket. Okay, not for the upper part, because if we will do the basket first now, if we will do the leaf first now, so automatically if we will do the basket color, so it will be go inside the leaf. So first we will do the basket, then we will go for the leaf. Okay, so first you have to take the yellow ochre and you have to completely color with the basket to this color. You have to do whole color in the basket with this yellow ochre. Okay, see, done with the yellow ochre. Now little dark brown you have to take, and same you have to make first lines where we have to make it dark. Okay, now mix it. If your brush is dry, to take little water, little, not in the large quantity, then mix it. Now my brush is dry, so I will take little water and now I will go for near the leaf. See, done. Now we will go for the cauliflower's leaf. Okay, we have to take light green first. Light green we will take first, and we will make as a primary color. Okay, we will fill all the leaf with the light green color. See, done with the light green color. Now we will take dark green and we will make lines in the center. Understood? Now here also dark green, the pumpkin top. The tomato also you have to do dark green. Then in the bottle ground also same dark green. See from where I have started. Understood? Now in the brinjal top we will do light green. See children, done with upper part. Now we will go for the onion. Okay, first you have to do white color in the onion. See, done with the white color. Now very lightly you have to take pink color. If you don't have pink color, you can take red. Okay, now you have to go up to down. Then mix it. See, done with the pink color also. Now littlely you have to take purple color. I told you in the brinjal also how to make the purple color. With the dry brush you have to do this. Okay. Now detailing we will do later. See, now white, pink and purple is mixed. Okay. Now we will go for the potato. Yellow ochre and fill it with see, done with this. Now second you have to take dark brown and mix it. Do it first down, then wash your brush, make it dry and then mix it. done. See, all picture is done. Now we have to do detailing. Okay, now you have to take color palette, okay. Now you have to take black in one side, in the class also I told you that in the real life we don't have black outline, right? So here also we will not do directly black. Okay, now we have taken black color. Now in this you have to take dark brown color and mix it. Now see, it is not a proper black color. See, it is like a dark brown. Now you have to take very thin brush like 0 or 2 number brush. Okay, I taken 0 number brush. Now you have to take this little in your brush and making the inner part of the cauliflower. See, now same in the center of the leaves, some area, not all. Okay, little area you have to do it, and outline also. See, you can see in the picture it is not proper a black color, right? So all the leaves you have to do it like this. See how I done outline in the cauliflower. Same in the all you have to do like that. Okay, in the pumpkin also like that, in the brinjal leaves, tomato outline, and bottle ground, basket also, any design that you have to make in that. Okay, in the onion also you have to make details, in the potato also. Okay, let's start doing it. See children, done with the outline. See, you can see now in the basket I drawn like this, in the onion, the potato, and the base. Hope so you can also do it like this. Okay, any vegetable you can draw it, not like this, same, any vegetable. Okay, and any color you can do on that mixing. Okay.